how to use your personal website creator on Wordware. So in order to actually use this, you need to head over right here to your project files and click on this personal website creator. So this actually does a lot of things. It can research a person, generate an image, compose a poem, read a poem, create posts and web page, including or featuring all these elements using Sonnet. So for example, for this one, let's head over and click on this run option. So we have in here the name. So for example, let's put in here our name. And then let's put in here the details. So this will help you locate your online presence for this one, for example. So you can also change it up to your liking as well. So this will search for that person if you want. And then once you have input their details, click on this run option right here. Now this will run this case right here, and then this will create a research for this particular person. So as you can see right here, this will load and this will research for that person. It can also create a poem about them. So take note that it actually takes around 200 seconds for this to be finished. So just wait for that. So that's how you use your personal website creator on Wordware. Hope we helped.